today's session we'll discuss about iterators in Python. What do you mean by iterator? Is an object that contains a countable number of values. So for example, if you read a sequence 1 2 3 4 5, it's kind of series. Suppose if you wanted to traverse from 1 to 5, iterator we can use. It will start from 1, increment by 1 more, it will become 2, again increment 1 more, it will become 3, so on. It's kind of incrementing some items. We'll see some examples. Is an object that can be iterated upon. That means you can traverse through all the values. So basically it is a protocol. It is an object which implements protocol which consists of the methods. What are the methods? So lists, tuples, dictionary and sets are iterable objects. They are iterable containers which you can get iterator on. All these objects have a iter method which is used to get an iterator return from a tuple and print each value. Example, tuple name my tuple equal to, let us take some fruit names, apple, banana and cherry. How to print it? So we'll use iter method. My it equal to iter. This is a method. We'll pass the my tuple object. Okay, how to see the values? You can use print function. Print will use the next function of my it. Okay, we need to give same again one at a time. It will be printed. So you need to use how many elements are there? 3 elements. So we need to use this statement another 2 more times. So total 3 times. We'll execute this and see the result. Save as. Now we'll try to see one. So it is printing apple, banana, cherry. We have tried to print by using this iter function, and we'll see some more concepts here. Even strings are also iterable objects and can return iterator. For example, we'll see my str equal to orange. Then we'll print this by using iter function. We'll give my str. Then we'll use the same thing. Print function. How many times? There are 6 characters. We need to use 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll execute this also and we'll see. We'll save it as iterator and we'll try to execute this one as well. Python 2. So it has printed. What it has printed? Orange. This is the one. So it has splitted 6 times. O-R-A-N-G. These are the sequence one by one. Starting character O and the next one R, next one A, like that up to E. We can also use looping through an iterator. So here we can also use a for loop. Iterate through an iterable object. My tuple equal same thing we can take. My tuple equal to this one. We'll take same example. Here we will use for loop for x in my tuple, then print x. We'll test it this also. Instead of using iterator, here we have used for loop. For loop acts as a iterator. We'll name it as iterator 3 and we'll try to execute. What it has to print? It has to print apple, banana, cherry. The way iterator works, for loop also works. It has to print 3 items. We'll see this. Now apple, banana, cherry. That's all for this video.